kids, how are you? Hope all are fine. Are you staying at home? Yeah, we are also staying at home. But we are working from home. We are teaching you. What are you doing? Are you learning? Hope all are learning. You are making or utilizing your time. A lot of time is hanging in your hands. Whenever we are teaching you, you should also spend some time on studies. Okay? Today we are going into subtraction. Okay, without using your fingers, by using addition table, you have to learn subtraction. Subtraction, we will see two types of questions. One is the upper digit is bigger than the lower digit. That is one mode. These all questions are of that type only. But there is another kind also. Upper digit will be smaller than the lower digit. So then the subtraction will be little bit complicated. But this one very, very simple if you know the addition table. Shall we see then? Okay. Just like addition, subtraction also you should remember one thing. Always you have to go through these places. One's place should return under one's place. Okay, tens place under tens place, 100 place under 100 place. If you change that order, your subtraction will be totally wrong. So never forget, write the places under the same one. Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under 100 and so on. You know the place values, so no problem for that. Okay, now let us go for 65 minus 23. So you have to say the addition table of 3 here. Okay, it is better than thinking, oh 5 minus 3, how much? No need to think of that sort. Think in this way. 3, okay, you know the table of 3, no? 3 plus how much is 5? 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. So you write 2 here. Okay, when you are thinking in the reverse manner, 5 minus 3. Oh, you take 5 fingers, then 3 fingers you fold and you get it 2. Okay, is it the verb? Are you following? Don't follow like that. So now, since you have learned the addition table, so you have to go through like this. 3 plus how much is 5? Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. So here you have to say the table of 2. 2 plus how much is 6? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. So if you think in this manner, subtraction will be very, very easy for you. Okay? You can save the time. For addition and subtraction also, you have to use addition table. For division and multiplication, we are using multiplication table. Same way, for addition and subtraction, you should use subtraction table. Okay, let us go for this one. 7 plus how much is 9? 7 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. So we write it. 2 plus how much is 8? 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. If you learn the addition table, automatically that will be coming into the tip of your tongue. Okay, so 2 plus 6, 8. And 1 plus how much is 3? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So what is the answer? 262. And see here, 6523 and 313. See how I have written. This one 313, one's place is 3, tens place is 1 and 100 place is 3. So we should write ones under ones only, tens under tens, hundreds under 100. Okay, now start subtract. 3 plus how much is 3? 3 plus 0 is 3. So 0. 1 plus how much is 2? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 3 plus how much is 5? 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Next here there is no number. So since there is no number, same number can be written down. Or otherwise it is 0, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. You can think in that way also. So the answer is 6210. Okay, now let us go for the next one. 2 plus how much is 8? 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. So the answer is 660. Okay, see. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus how much is? 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus how much is 6? 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus how much is 6? 3 plus 3. Okay, so if you know the addition table, see how easy it is. Okay, now say this one. 5 plus how much is 5? 0. 4 plus how much is 4? 0. 3 plus how much is 9? 6. 2 plus how much is 6? 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. So, this way we can find out the subtraction. So, now next we are going into other type. Okay, here these are also for finding out the difference. Okay, do you notice any difference between the numbers that we have done previously and this one? Yes. Here, some of the digits in the minuend is smaller than the digits of the subtrahend at the same places. For example, here the upper digit is 2 and the lower digit is 3. Means in the subtrahend, in that 1's place 3 is there. In minuend, in 1's place there is 2. So, the upper digit is smaller than the lower digit. Okay, here also say, here 6. 6 is smaller than 7. So, if the digit in the minuend is smaller than the digit in the subtrahend, what will you do? That's also very easy if you know the addition table. So, listen, how am I going to deal with these problems? See here we have to take the addition table of 3. We have to say the addition table of 3 only. But it's so previously clear that 2 won't come in the addition table of 3. 3 plus 1, 4 only. This is bigger number only will be coming when we say the addition table. But how we will get it to? There is no possibility, right? So, let us imagine this number 2 as 12. Whenever there is a smaller digit in the minuend, take that as, keep 1 at the 1/10 place of that number. Okay, so if 2 is there, consider it as 2. If 1 is there, consider it as 11. If 0 is there, consider it as 10. That means 2 will be considered as 12. 1 will be considered as 11, 0 will be considered as 10, 3 considered as 13, 4 considered as 14 and so on. We will consider in that. So now see, you have to consider 2 as 12. Okay, now very clear, 3 table you know. 3 plus how much is 12? 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 plus how much is 12? 3 plus 9. You know the table of 3. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. That you have learned. So, 3 plus 9, 12. Okay. Now, actually the number was 2 only. We have taken 2 as 12. Then, what about that 1? What are we going to do that extra 1 now? I am going to add that extra 1 to this tens place number. Okay, here 1 extra in the tens place. I have considered this 2 as 12, but never write like this. Okay, for showing you I write like this. I have considered 2 as 12. So that 1 now I will add with this 2. So it will become 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, did you get it? So, now say the table of 3. 3 plus how much is 6? 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 3 is 6. So, the answer is 39. Okay. When the subtrahend and the difference you add, you have to get the minuend. You can check your answer in that way, whether your answer is correct or wrong. When you add this, the subtrahend and the difference. Okay, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, 9 plus 3, how much? 12. Plus 1, carries the 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Right, you get it? You can check it like that also. Okay. Now, let us go to this question. Now, same problem occurs here also. In the minuend, 1 plus 6 is. In the subtrahend, 1 plus 7 is there. 6 is smaller than 7. 6 is smaller than 7. So, what did I say you? 6 should be, whenever a smaller number comes, you have to think it as in this way. 13, 6 should be considered as a 16. Okay, we have to 6 should be considered as 16. Okay, now say the table of 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. You have to learn the addition table, then only addition and subtraction will be easier for you. Don't never use your fingers for addition and subtraction. Okay, your calculation speed will be decreasing if you use your fingers. So, see here, 7 table you know. 7 plus how much is 16? 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 7 plus 9, 16. 7 plus 9, 16. Okay, what I told you? That extra added 1 should be added to this tens place. So, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus how much is 8? 3 tables, 3 plus 8. Now is there any need of taking 8 as 18? No, because 8 is bigger number only than 3. So, directly you can say the table. 3 plus 5, 8. And 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, let us move on to the next question. 3. And here 2. 2 is smaller. So, what you should do? 2 should be considered as 12. Okay, 3 plus how much is 12? 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Okay, that 1, 2 considered as 12. That 1 should be added with this tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus how much is 2? 2 plus 0 is 2. Again, 3. Upper log, smaller digit is there. Okay, in the minuend, smaller digit is there now. So now, automatically we have to remember that 2. Okay, 2 should be considered as 12. Okay, 12. 2 we are going to consider 2 as 12. So, how much should be added to 3 to get to 12? 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Okay, then extra added 1. This all we are doing in our mind only, all mind calculation. Don't write anything, striking off, cutting, carrying. Okay, don't do like that. So, 3 plus 9, 12. So, that extra added 1 will be coming down. Here no digit is there. No digit means that is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 here. Now 1 will be here because from here that 1 come here. 1 plus how much is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay, move on to the next question. Now, this is 0 smaller number, 2. So, 0 is smaller than 2. So, we have to consider 0 as 10. 0 as 10. 2 plus how much is 10? 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus how much is 10? 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. That one add here. Okay. 0 considered as 10. In tens place we have taken 1. That one we are adding here. 7 plus 1. 8. 8 plus how much is again? 0 we have to remember is we have to consider it as 10. So 8 plus how much is 10? Again 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So extra considered 10. That one add here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus how much is 9? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. You should learn addition table. Many times I told you. You should learn addition table. Then only you can do it fastly. Addition and subtraction also. Okay, now see here. 2 plus how much is 9? No need to consider 9 as 19 because 2 is smaller. Whenever smaller number is coming in the minuend, then only go for that. So 2 plus how much is 9? 2 plus 7. Now 6. 0 is smaller. Whenever 0 is there, whenever a number smaller than the subtrahend digit, you have to think it as 0, 10, 1, 11, 2, 12, 3 means 13, 4 means 14 and so on. So 10, 0 we are going to consider it as 10. 6 plus how much is 10? 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, that number, but we have considered here, we will add here 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus, again 0 should be considered as 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again that 1 should be considered here. 1 we have taken, 1 add here, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Again that 1 come here, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus how much is 6? 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now the next question. 2 again smaller number. So 2 should be considered as 12. 5 plus how much is 12? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. That 1 should be considered here. 4 will be taken as 5. 5 plus how much is 10? Okay, 0 will be considered as 10. 5 plus how much is 10? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So again that 1 will be adding here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus how much is 12? 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, again that 1 will be considering here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus how much is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, that 1 we will consider here again. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus how much is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Actually, once again I will say you this one, 12. Actually, what is this number? We are considering it as 12. But don't write here. That is in our mind. Okay, this 2 will be considered as 12. Okay, this 1 we will add with 4. Okay, this 1, because this is 2 only. 2 only we have considered as 12. So that extra 1 in the tens place adding here. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Next, here same again the same process. 10 will be considered as 10. Only in the mind, don't show there. Okay now. So 4 plus how much is? 4 plus 1, no? 5 plus how much is 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, in that one. Okay, again that 10 1 will be added here. Okay, 10 1 is this one, because only 0 the digit, we have added extra 1 here. That extra 1 will be added here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus how much is 12? 2 will be considered as 12. Okay, get it? So in this way, you have to do the subtraction. I think that it will be easy for you. Thank you.